Hmm, not such a bad location after all. Uh-huh. Alright. So you might have seen a few clippings of a live that I did. Right? So until I'm able to go live from this page, I'll go live from the other page, take those clippings, drop it over here. Right? Don't know why I never thought of doing that before. Anyway, let me tell you where I am. 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna take the fan off of the 1 hour, 1 hour and 1 minute and exactly 6 seconds into, and listen to this, Death Note, Another Note. The Los Angeles, don't know why I'm saying it like that. Los Angeles BB murder cases, LA BB murder cases. Complete audiobook as narrated by light novel dramatic reading. I'll probably just go subscribe to him from every page that I have. Because him deserve it. It's not fair. Man does such a good job. Let me tell you how much subscriber I have. Watch. 466? Criminal. Criminal. Should at least be 1,000 people. At least. At least. So, light novel dramatic reading. If you can even just write LABB murder case. Just write LABB murder case and beside it write light novel dramatic reading. And it should pop up. Of everybody who has ever done their take on this prequel to Death Note, this is the best. This is the best coverage of it. The best voice acting, the best sound effects, like everything. The gunshot sound effects are on point. The computer sound effects are on point. Everything. Synthetic voice, Misura's voice, BB's voice separate from Ryozaki's voice. Even Ray Pembo, who... Ugh, Ray Pembo. Like, his death is bad enough. You know him kind of deserve it. Because he was so stupid. Like, we're not saying that you can't let somebody blackmail you into doing something that you shouldn't be doing. But you never tell nobody? And you never have backup? Like, how do you... And this is part of... This is part of the reason why... Let's be honest. Death Note is not grounded in that much reality. Because if it were... Then we'd catch Kira in record time. In fact, the only reason why they caught him, or rather, the only reason why they had a suspicion was because they kept narrowing the search. Right? They kept narrowing the search. If it wasn't for L, most people would have had no idea who was doing this. So you have to give L his credit. But in other news, back to what I was saying. LABB murder case. Death Note, Another Note, light novel dramatic reading. Subscribe.